This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of BETCO.ST using the ticker BETCO.ST as the example search term. Better Collective is a digital sports media company focused on sports betting content and related products. Its shares trade on CBOE EU, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker. We will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar to enter the ticker BETCO.ST to find the listing quickly. Choose the result that matches Better Collective A/S to ensure you have located the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name and ticker on the page to make sure this is the correct Better Collective A/S listing. Click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, and check whether you are submitting a market or limit order before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the purchase is completed. Once the order fills, you will see your new position listed in the Portfolio or Holdings view. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown in this video.